What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make these delicious looking smoothies. Yes, but I will not be using the BlendJet 2. I will be using none other than my new NutriBullet. Yes, I have a new blender, you guys. I haven't retired my BlendJet 2, but I just wanted to get something a little bigger and just to, show you guys how I can use other things besides the BlendJet 2. But yeah, if you want to see how I make these wonderful tasting smoothies, just keep on watching. you have it. I showed you guys how to make it with this wonderful NutriBullet blender. Simple, easy, affordable, and you guys, you can look down in the description to order yours today. Go ahead and check it out and give these smoothies a try. I will also put links down below to the protein powder and also the green powder as well. If you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.